In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find types of all the tasks you have in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your ClickUp account. And once you're here, head over to your account name up here and then choose settings. Now from settings, go ahead and on this sidebar, look for task types. Now, if you click on task type, it will go ahead and list the types of tasks you have here. And you can see I have quite a number, such as task milestone, form responses, just mention but a few. So that's how you can find your task type in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.